Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome to English class. In the previous class, you have learnt about noun and verbs, isn't it? Yes. So today in this class, in English class, you are going to learn a story. Do you want to listen to a story, dear students? Yes. Are you all happy to listen? Yes. So here is a story about a woodcutter. His name was Marwan. What was his name? Marwan. He was very poor woodcutter. He lived in a small village with wife and with his 4 children. Okay. So he lived in a small village with his wife and 4 children. And there was a thick forest near the village. He always used to cut woods from that forest. So one day what happened? Marwan was cutting the woods from that forest. So while cutting the wood in that forest, so it became late. It was very dark at night. So Marwan, in that thick forest, he lost his way. So he was very afraid of lions, tigers in that forest. So what did he do? He saw a light in that forest. There was a small house. There was a small house in that forest. So what did he do? He went there and he knocked at the door. So the door opened from inside. So there was an old woman. There was an old woman in that forest. She was wearing white dress. So he wished her, "Good evening, ma'am." So who wished? Marwan wished her. So, "Good evening, young man. Please come in." So what did she tell to Marwan? "Good evening, man. Please come in." Marwan went inside. In that house, he was very tired. So that old woman, what she did? She gave him food to eat. So she made him to sit and she gave the food to eat. Then after some time, she went inside the room and came out. After some time she came out. Then she was not an old woman. She became a beautiful fairy. So he saw a beautiful fairy. So after that, what did that fairy do? She gave a bag full of gold to Marwan. So what did Marwan tell? Marwan said, "No, I don't want this bag full of gold. I want to work hard and earn money for my family. So please, I can't take this bag," he told to fairy. Then fairy, what did she do? She told him to take that bag, but he did not take it. Then he asked the fairy to give him health and strength. What did he ask? He asked for health and strength. Then fairy said, "You are very good man. God will bless you." So, and what did the fairy give him? She gave him a shining stone. So at last she gave him a shining stone. Then Marwan took that shining stone and thanked the fairy and he went home back. So this was the story about the woodcutter whose name was Marwan. Okay. So I hope all have understood the story. Okay. So listen to the story, dear students, about a woodcutter. Okay. So dear students, today's value is to say please, thank you, sorry. These three magical words. So please when you ask help to someone, and thank you when someone helps you. So kindly say thank you, and sorry whenever you do mistake. So dear children, so these three magical words you need to remember always. Okay, this is the value you learn from this story from Marwan, the poor woodcutter. Okay dear students, thank you for listening.
There are three little magic words that can open any door with ease. Please, sorry, and thank you. Thank you, sorry, and please. When someone is kind to you, say thank you. That's very nice of you.
When someone is kind to you, say thank you. That's very nice of you.
If you want something, say please, please may I have it?
If you want something, say please, please may I have it.
If you have hurt someone, say sorry, I'm so sorry.
If you have hurt someone, say sorry. I'm so sorry.
There are three little magic words that can open any door with ease. Please, sorry, and thank you. Thank you, sorry, and please. So, good manners are never out of style.